Welcome back to another video. Today we solve the medium level question, the product price at given date. So the question have a single table products having three columns, the product ID, new price and the change date. So the question is that to find the price of all product on the date 2019 8/16 and the initially all product have price 10. Okay, and the return the result table in any order. So the output is like the product id 2 has 50 like this and the date 14. So they want the latest date when the price has been changed. Okay, so like for the id 2 on the 17 we have 65, but we want before 16. Yeah, or the change date should be equal to 16 or less than 16. Okay, so our basic idea is first, so select product id and something as price from which table, from product table, products, and group by product id. Why group by? Because there are multiple values in the product id column, so but we want all the distinct value. Okay, so using group by we got the distinct value. So in this case, okay, we have a single case like the date should be equal to 16 or less than 16. Okay, and if the price will be there on the 16 is like for the first product id we have 35 and it returned 35. If the price should be will be changed on before the 16, then return those price value. Okay, so the change date here 14, but the price of the product id 2 is 15 and they return 50. For the third, like we have the price for the third product id is 20 on the date 18, but we want for or the date equal to 16 or less than 16. Okay, so we have to return 10 only. So we have some case and a default system, like if the date is not there then return 10. So here like we have a keyword name as COALESCE करके. Okay, so COALESCE, okay, comma 10. Now what happen in this, if something is not matched or the requirement is not fulfilled, like the date is not equal to 16 or less than 16, then it return 10. Okay, so here we have to do something like something use subquery so that we find the related output, the expected output, okay, for the new price column. So here we're gonna using select subquery. So select new price from which table, from product table, sorry, new price from products, and we make alias as p1 where p1 dot product id equal to p dot product id. Okay, and what the another condition is, and our p1 dot change date should be less than and equal to the given date this. Okay, and we gonna make this in order by p1 dot change date, because we want the latest date, at the latest date the price has been changed. Okay, that is why we make this order by in descending order, and the limit should be, because we want only the single column. Okay, So here you should be able to understand like this and this type. So see, from here to here there is a subquery, and what is subquery return? Like we make the product table, another product temporary table as p1, and we make this equal to p1 dot product id equal to p dot product id. So the p is this table alias as p, and now here we can do the p dot, but let's see. Okay, so now run this and see what it return. So see, perfect. Okay, so the let me elaborate more this. Like the basic idea is the thinking, whenever you see the value at given date, you should immediately think find the most recent record. Okay, recent record before that date. That is exactly what we did here. We get the price before or equal to this date. Okay, as the question asks. So here, and another steps. So the what is our outer query? Like this. So select p dot product id and something from the product table and group by product id. Okay, we want only one row per record per product. The table may contain multiple row per product, so using group by product id ensure uniqueness. Okay, and this what is subquery doing there? Okay, so like, so subquery here, for the product give me price for the latest date that is not after this particular date. Okay, so we make another temporary table as p2, and p2 dot product id equal to p dot product id. So we want the same product id, and the date should be less than or equal to this date, 16/8/2019. And we make this order by in descending order because we want the latest date. Okay, if we not order by this, we get some minimum date which is not maybe having some different price. Like if we have a 10 something value, okay, on any different date. Okay, so which is not maybe the right way to solve this. And why we use this particular statement, COALESCE, it what it did, it set a default value for something. Okay, if the subquery returns something, and either it returns something or not, if not return something, then it return null. So that is why for saving our query, we set the default value as 10 as per the they want, like the all product have price 10. Okay, so this is our basic idea. If you see why this approach work perfectly for this question, what is our requirement? SQL feature used latest price limit, order by date. Okay, for the latest price limit one, we order by the date descending order, and what given date, this given date before this given date. Per product using subquery, default value use COALESCE, and the one row per product group by. Okay, so thank you for watching the video and stay tuned for the next video. I am continuously uploading the SQL interview related question and the more videos. So thank you for watching.